I'm Teacher Mike, and today I'm giving you 14 advanced adjectives for describing personality. Ambitious. A person who is ambitious really wants to succeed and will do the things necessary to succeed. My friend has many big dreams, and she works very hard. She is one of the most ambitious people I know. Considerate. A considerate person tries not to do things that negatively affect other people. They are usually kind, helpful, and respectful. Basically, a considerate person cares about your feelings. If they see that you are busy, they will not interrupt you. If you're in the hospital, they will come visit you. And if they think you need help, they will offer to help you. Dependable. A dependable person will be there to help you when you need help. And when they tell you that they are going to help you, you know that you can believe them. My boss knows that I am dependable, so she never reminds me about deadlines, and she rarely asks me about the progress of my projects. Gregarious. Gregarious people like to be around other people. It's very similar to outgoing. However, outgoing focuses more on the fact that they are comfortable or confident being around other people, whereas gregarious focuses more on the fact that they enjoy being around other people. My coworker, Steve, is very gregarious. He's always at parties, chatting loudly with people who he has just met. Witty or quick-witted. A person who is witty can think of funny or clever things to say very quickly. Witty children often get in trouble in school for making too many jokes or saying rude things to their classmates or teachers. Pessimistic. Pessimistic is the opposite of optimistic. It means that they always see the bad in situations instead of the good, or they always think that bad things are going to happen. It's difficult to have a good time with Steve because he's so pessimistic. He always focuses on what's wrong with the situation instead of just trying to enjoy it. Cynical. Cynical is similar to pessimistic, but cynical basically means that you are pessimistic about humans. Cynical people basically believe that humans only do things to help themselves and don't care about other people. They basically believe that all people are bad. With all of the horrible things that happen in the world, sometimes it's difficult not to be cynical. Reserved. A person who is reserved doesn't say a lot or show a lot of emotion. However, it doesn't mean that they are shy, introverted, or uncomfortable around other people. It just means that they control how much they show or say to other people. Egotistical. An egotistical person basically thinks that they are very important and everything is about them. They behave in a way that shows that they think that they are better or more important than other people. John thought that talking about his experience would make people trust him and want to work with him, but the way he did it actually just made him look egotistical. Charismatic. Charismatic people have a special energy that works like a human magnet. They behave and speak in a way that makes other people trust them and want to listen to them. They're usually both confident and friendly. Charismatic people often become successful leaders because they can get other people to like them, trust them, and support them. Impulsive. Impulsive people are people who often act without thinking first. They don't carefully analyze situations to decide what to do. They just do whatever they feel like doing, without thinking about what will happen. Everyone can be a bit impulsive sometimes, but being too impulsive is usually considered a negative trait. Tenacious. Tenacious people are people who do not easily give up on their goals or their beliefs. Margaret is very tenacious. When she has a goal, she always achieves it, no matter how difficult it is. Materialistic. If someone is materialistic, they care a lot about money and the things that they can buy with money. However, if someone is poor and is always thinking about money because they need to make money to buy basic things for their family, that is not materialistic. If a person is materialistic, they care about money and things because they think that it is very important to have a lot of money and a lot of things. Basically, they like to buy stuff, and when they can show their stuff to other people, they feel special. Decisive. If someone is decisive, they can make decisions quickly and confidently. They don't rush or act impulsively, they just don't waste time. This is another trait that is very common in effective leaders. As people become more experienced and more talented, they often also become more decisive. They can make quick decisions easily because they are confident in themselves, their experience, and their knowledge. So yeah, those are today's 14 advanced personality adjectives. Thank you for watching.